Okay, so we'll be doing this problem, okay, of Leibniz theorem. Yeah, I've already sent you the video of Leibniz theorem, how to go and how to get the equation, so you'll have to learn this, okay? So without which you'll not be able to proceed, but you'll have to understand this in order to even proceed, clear? So basically this is the formula, okay, and so forth, clear? So you begin, this is NCN u of this plus this basically means 0 and u vn, clear? This is the formula, right? So now in case if the question is find y2, remember earlier we had to find yn, okay? But in case you're given a number which is find y2 equal when y equal to x cubed log x. So we have already found out yn, yes, we have found out that, and in order to find out yn, it's necessary that you learn the n derivative, okay? So which was already done in class. So for this, what I usually go for is I take u as a derivative which after successive times it will come to an end, and v as a derivative which will not end, okay? Now since it is just y2, we just have to take 2 times derivative for both the cases because we will not go beyond that, clear? So in the same case, even v1, the differentiation of 1 by log x is 1 by x, and twice differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x squared, clear? Therefore when you find out, we are asked to find out y2. So all you have to do is, in the place of, instead of n, you can just replace it with 2 because that's the highest order, plus n is 2c1, okay? 2c1, because right now our n serves as 2, clear? So you have u of 2 minus 1 and v1 plus 2 of c2 u of 0 plus v2. We can end it here, okay? After this we do not need, okay? Because we'll end up getting u minus 1, u minus 2, which actually makes no sense. So u2 is actually 6x, v is nothing but, say, it's usually v naught, okay? So it's going to be log x plus 2c2 can be written as 2 factorial divided by 1 factorial, 2 minus 1 factorial. This is the formula. u2 minus 1 is actually u1, so that's 3x squared, and your v1 is actually 1 by x. 2 combination 2 is always going to be 1, and u naught is given as x cubed, and v2, okay, the twice differentiation of v is 1 by x squared. So you start cancelling out this x. You can always cancel this x, so this will remain. So this remains 6x log x, okay? 2 factorial can be written as 2 into 1. 1 factorial is the same thing as 1, so you can just keep that as it is, and minus x will be minus x. So this becomes 6x log x plus 6x minus x. So this is going to be equal to 6x log x minus 5x, plus 5x, because 6x minus x is plus 5x. We'll do just one more question and I think you'll be able to get it, okay? So the question is find yn, no sorry, this is find y4, okay, when y is equal to ex and x cubed, clear? So again, learn the formula. So since we're just asked to find y4, here n is equal to 4, so my u, I'll take it as x cubed, and v, I'll take it as e to the power x, okay? Clear? So we have to take it 4 times differentiation. So u, one time differentiation is 3x squared, twice differentiation is 6x, third differentiation is 4, and u 4 times is equal to 0. Now differentiation of this will always be ex, okay, no matter what. Twice differentiation, you even take up to n differentiation, it's always going to be ex, but we need it up to 4 derivatives, so we'll take it there, okay? Therefore finally you can write y4 is going to be equal to u4 v plus nc1 u of 4 minus 1, because the formula is n minus 1, so I'm just replacing directly n with 4. So v1 plus nc2 u of 4 minus 2 v2 plus nc3 u of 4 minus 3 v3 plus nc4 u of 4 minus 4, and here wait, this is v, okay, and v4, okay? That's everything that we need. Our u4 is 0, so 0 into ex is always going to be 0, so just keep that as it is. Instead of n, sorry, okay, write it as 4, clear? This is supposed to be 4, okay, because our n is 4. So instead of n, you write everywhere 4. So this is going to be 4 factorial divided by 1 factorial and 4 minus 1 factorial. And this is going to be u3. We'll just write this down first, make all the changes that we need, and then we will proceed. And this is going to be 4 minus 2 factorial. This is going to be u2 v2 plus 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 4 minus 3 factorial. And this is going to be u1 v3 plus 4 factorial. 4 factorial is actually 1, okay, but see, this is the reason why. And 4 minus 4 factorial u0 and v4, okay. Usually the first term you can take it as u0 and v0, okay, clear. So 4 factorial, and this is going to be 1 factorial can be written as 1, and this can be written as 3 factorial, okay. Now u3 is given as 6, okay, and v1 is given as e to the power x. This is going to be 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial. 4 minus 2 factorial is 2 factorial. u2 is given as 6x, and v2 is given as e to the power x. Similarly, 4 factorial divided by 3 factorial, and 4 minus 3 factorial is nothing but 1. So I'll just write it as 1, okay, instead of writing it as 1 factorial. And u1 is given as 3x squared, and v3 is given as ex. Plus, so you can cancel out 4 and 4 factorial. Interesting thing, so what is 4 minus 4? It's actually 0 factorial. Okay, and remember that 0 factorial is always equal to 1. Keep that in mind. Yeah? In your previous test, I have seen a lot of students write 0 factorial as equal to 0. It's supposed to be equal to 1. Normal? 0 factorial is always equal to 1. Keep that in mind. So u0 is given as x cubed. We have v4 as x e to the power exponential to the power x. And for understanding purpose, write this, okay? Clear? Because 0 factorial is equal to 1. In the next slide, so remember this is 4 factorial and 3 factorial. So, okay. I'll just try to write here in this slide itself, okay? So in order to, I'll just rub this off, okay? So I'll just try to write all of this so that you're able to see it page by page. If not, it becomes quite difficult to understand certain the next step. Okay, okay? So after this, I'll take this step here, okay? So 4 factorial can be written as 4 into 3 factorial. Okay, it's going to be here, divided by, this is y4, by 3 factorial, 6 e to the power x, plus 4 factorial into, 4 into 3 into 2 factorial, divided by 2 into 1 into 2 factorial, 6x ex, okay, plus 4 into 3 factorial divided by 3 factorial, 3x squared e to the power x, plus x cubed ex. Okay, play with this. So you can start cancelling this. 2 factorial can cancel this. 2 times 2 is 4, and then 3 and 3. So you're left with 6 into 4 is 24 e to the power x, plus 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 6 is what? 36x e to the power x, plus 4 into 3 is going to be 12 x squared e to the power x, plus x cubed e to the power x. Clear up to this much. Okay, so it's going to be 24ex plus 36x plus 12x squared. If you want to proceed with a step more, you can always take exponential as common. You'll be getting this as 24 plus 36x plus 12x squared plus, okay, this is what you get. But this is not really a necessary step, okay? Only if you want to. You can end the answer here. Okay, so I'll just be doing only 2 problems. I'm pretty sure you have remaining examples in your notes already. Okay, clear. So if you still had doubts after I took this concept in the class, you can always refer this video.